Cooling towels have become trail essentials, especially on exposed desert hikes where shade is hard to come by. But you may be wondering, why should you pay for a cooling towel when a wet rag can do the same thing? So, I took my Mission Max Plus cooling towel out on the trail, and I was glad I had it. Here's a breakdown of my experience. This cooling towel is pretty straightforward. Just wet it, wring it out, snap it a few times, and it cools down fast. You don't even need ice water or any special treatment, as plain tap water works just fine. Mission claims it gets up to 30 degrees below average body temperature in under a minute. And that might sound like marketing hype, but when you actually throw it around your neck on a 90-degree day, it genuinely feels colder than a regular wet towel would. What I found interesting is how it reactivates. If it starts warming up from your body heat, you don't necessarily need to re-wet it. Simply readjust it slightly or give it another snap and the cool comes back. That might be a small detail, but it mattered when I didn't have immediate water access. The towel also has this little loop on the label that lets you pass the other end through, so it stays put around your neck without slipping off. And another thing that I absolutely loved is that its antimicrobial treatment actually works. A lot of cooling towels claim odor resistance, but get funky after just a few sweaty uses. This one didn't have that problem, even after extended outdoor sessions. Speaking of lasting, it stays cool depending on conditions. In dry heat, expect it to hold up longer, but in high humidity, you'll need to re-wet it more often because evaporation slows down when the air is already saturated with moisture. The material stays soft whether it's wet or dry, making it pretty easy to fold and toss in your bag. Plus, you can toss it in the wash with your regular laundry, and it doesn't lose its cooling effect, which is a huge relief. Now, this cooling towel is not perfect, as some people feel it's a regular wet towel. It is also pricier than budget options. That said, I'd say that the convenience factor of lightweight, portable, stays soft, and odorless is where the value really is.